Hello everyone. All of you like stories. Let us see a story now, and it's also a moral story. Children, you should read such stories. Weeds in the garden. Most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. They feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. Here, what do you mean by weeds? Weeds means useless or unnecessary plants which are harmful for desired vegetation. For example, if we grow rice in a field, if other unnecessary plants grow, that we remove it. Those plants we call as weeds. Then indulge. What do you mean by indulge? It's verb to satisfy wishes. And when even a scolding has no effect, the parents become very unhappy. Such was the case with Anshuman and his parents. Anshuman was a boy and his parents had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. What type of bad habits? Normally children have. They get up late. They may not listen their parents. Don't listen the instructions given by parents. They don't like to study. Whatever it may be. Anshuman's parents had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. Naturally, they began to warn him time and again, but all in vain. All in vain means what? It became useless. This is a phrase you should be able to make your own sentence. Anshuman just wouldn't listen. He refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits to get a hold over him. Means bad habits started to get control over him. Gentle words means good words. Strict warnings, a scolding now and then. His parents tried everything short of beating him up. All these measures which their parents tried to do became useless and they would never do. However, unhappy they themselves were. Actually, normally parents don't become happy when they have to scold their children or beat or sometimes strict warning. They wanted to be loving and gentle as they tried to correct their son's ways. Soon an opportunity presented itself. Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. Only early one morning, his father took him for a walk around the farm. He was describing the specialities of various plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anshuman. He was explaining whatever showing the plants, different kinds of plants, and was giving explanation to him. Suddenly, he stopped and pointed at a small seedling growing near a plant. Anshuman, that's a weed. Weed means what? Unnecessary plant. Can you pull it out?